The universe is that big or that small. It's all about your perception in your mind.
The mind is not just a thinking tool, it is a powerful field of energy and awareness. According to this view, your consciousness is not confined to your body. It can expand, focus, and connect with anything. When your mind is scattered, the world feels overwhelming and huge. Problems seem distant, complex, and difficult to reach. But when your mind becomes calm, centered, and focused, something shifts. Suddenly, what once felt far away feels close. What seemed complicated becomes simple.
Why you use your hand, not other part of the body then? Of course, the other part of the body can still do work for you, but our hand or hands, fingers, are more sensitive. The reason of that is because our hand, our inner body, we have 12 major energy channels, the meridians, full of them. 6 in the hand, 6 in or start or end in the hands, and 6 start and end in the feet. 4 of these channels are connecting directly to our heart. And all these 4 channels are all in our hand. Isn't that amazing? So actually, when you use a hand to sense, you use a heart to communicate. That is it. Isn't that cool? Right? So you use a heart to read a person's energy. You already give your heart to this person at that moment. So this is the hand posture. And in order to activate your sensor better, you can do some clapping to your hands. Clapping, everybody. Shake it a little. All right, so then you feel more tingly sensation in your hands, right? So beautiful.
Chunyi Lin teaches that when you use your hands in Qigong, you are connecting with the universe. Your hands extend your energy field outward, allowing you to interact with something greater than yourself. At the same time, they bring that universal energy back into your body. It becomes a continuous exchange, giving and receiving.
I am in the universe. The universe is in my body. The universe and I combine together. Feel that your body and the universe merging together as one. When that happens, how do you feel? Do you feel more tingly sensation even in the middle of your palm? Do you feel a beautiful breeze running down from your head to the toe? That means you are really, really opening up yourself to the universe, make the connection to the source. And then you stop bouncing. Bounce, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Do it gently. Take 3 seconds to inhale and 4, 5, 6 seconds or more to exhale. Focus on the exhaling a little bit longer time to enhance the healing power from within. And bounce with the rhythm you feel comfortable. And smile, smile, smile. And you remember, what does this movement do for you? It helps you to awaken.
This exercise is powerful for people who feel stuck, heavy, or mentally foggy.
And you connect yourself to the earth, to the universe. Now have your hands up. Continue to bounce. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let go with the wrist. Let go with the torso, but keep your spine straight, relaxedly. Now you are aware of what you are doing. So do you notice? You combine all the 3 secrets of Qigong practice together now. The Qigong relaxation, awareness, and focus on the feeling of one area throughout the entire practice. Now you can put your hands down. Slowly stop. Today we're going to practice breathing of the universe. Now slowly bend your knees a little. Slowly hold your hands up, like holding a basketball, fingers open like a grasping a ball. Inhale, take 3 seconds or so. Inhale, and 4, 5, even longer seconds to exhale. Use elbows to guide the movement. See the elbows go out first.
This builds your energy like charging a battery.
And exhale, the elbows go in first before the hands. Feel now slowly on the tingly sensation in your hands. Feel how good you feel. Once you focus on this tingly sensation in your hands, that's the moment you tune in. You don't need to worry about your symptoms and how could this energy from the hands going internally to help heal my coronavirus. How this energy goes in to help me to clear my diarrhea, headaches. You don't need to analyze it because you are awakening the intelligence of the Qi. And the Qi helps you to do the rest of the work. What you need to do? Just enjoy this moment of serenity, this moment of the tingly sensation in your hands, in your fingers. Breathe gently and deeply. Inhale a little bit shorter time. Exhale a little bit longer time. And you are aware of what you are doing. That is it.
This practice supports mental clarity, positive focus, and emotional balance, helping align your thoughts with your goals.
Blessed. Say thankful. Say thank you to the universe for giving us this opportunity in this turbulent time to reunite our soul together. When you are in serenity, when you are doing these movements, radiating your unconditional love from within, you know what? The world gets the benefit. You radiate more peace, more love to the world. When so many people, hundreds of millions of people, doing the same thing, sending out this love, and this love all joined together from each individual, and it becomes collective consciousness. You see how powerful this energy will be, helping the world with more healing, with more peace. And of course, by doing so, yourself gets the benefit too. And your loved ones get the benefit too.
This practice strengthens grounding and mental stillness, helping reduce stress and improve posture.
Okay, 2 more movements. Inhale, open your hands slowly, fingers open. Exhale, take a little bit longer time. Inhale again. Exhale. Now slowly you put your hands down and straight up your knees. Take a deep breath.